So if you're new to the Limited Lambo series, it's basically where Morgan and myself flip and start up with the lemons, the worst of the worst cars that no one wants, and we flip our way up to eventually getting that Lambo. But today we're at the auctions again. We've got $12,000 after unfortunately taking a loss from the Lexus. And our first car is right up here, 2006 Ford Falcon XR6 Turbo. Alright, so the XR6 Turbo. Right off the bat, paint doesn't seem to be too bad. We've got a couple little scrape marks around the place. Whoever owned this vehicle needs to watch our headlight restoration video because these are looking a little bit milky. Coming around, the roof doesn't seem too bad. It's got a really nice big dent over on that side, so just one hailstone. Tires are pretty low. They do look quite old as well. And we've also got some sun fading here at the plastic trim, which is fine. A bit of concern though is rust. Let's see if we can open the boot. Alright, so it doesn't look like we have any power. Alright, it's unlocked. Let's see if she starts. The handbrake. What the f is this? Oh, sorry, YouTube, we're going to have to bleep that out. Yeah, I'm just destroying that. Let's try starting it. I mean, it runs nice. It's filthy around here. We've got missing buttons. I don't know if something's meant to be here, but oh,
look how grot that screen is.
Oh man, I got my sunnies on. It's been scratching a few times. Let's see if we can pop the boot. Alright. So, oh, that's not gonna drop down. If you have a look up in here, you got major rusting through there. You can just pulling bits around and it looks like it's gone straight into that quarter panel. It's a shame because it runs really well. You can look here, this is rusting up here as well. We've got just a rust spot there, hasn't gone through yet, but it's working its way. If there's ever one rule about cars, never, ever, ever, ever buy rusty cars because it's just a hole that you'll never get out of. So unfortunately, it'd be a good track car, but as a flip, no way. On to the next one. So everyone goes on about the MX-5s, and I've always wanted one just to see what everyone was going on about, but I've never known whether or not I'd fit in one. So we found one at the auctions, and I guess it's the moment of truth.
I can see your head poking out here.
Really? All right, so it's supposed to sit up, but oh, so leg room is actually really good. Can I adjust the steering wheel? That, I think, is a no. No adjustable, but it's honestly not too bad.
You just have to run it with the top down all the time.
Honestly, you put like a bride or a brid for those people in Japan. Okay, so these, oh my God. These buttons are kind of flimsy. Man, I want this thing. Holy sh**, that shifter is so short. 200,000 Ks. It's got power mirrors. Sweet, anyway, we're wasting time. I'll let you guys know if this is the Mercedes replacement. Ugh, it's just about getting out, that's the hard part. Feel that.
Nice little crack for you guys.
Oh God. All right, and for our next car, we are looking at another Ford again, and it's a 2015 Ford Fiesta Sport. Okay, so let's have a look. The front of the car, I mean, this car is only a couple of years old, but it's in very good condition. Tires still got plenty of tread on the front. We've got a couple of car park dents. Rear tires. Yeah, probably about 70-80% tread left as well.
I gotta say, paint is really nice.
Paint is immaculate. We've got a tiny nick on the back. This is a very nice car. All right, let's see if she starts though. Okay, we've got a little sticker here from Elite Motors. Okay, all in all, the car inside very tidy. Comes with a free pen. Well, what the heck, let's go for it. The car is lurching like crazy.
It must be down on a cylinder, I'm sure.
It's only 3 cylinders though. Yeah, no, I think this one's a no. That's fine there. Well, let's pop the hood and see what happens. Yeah, it does not sound healthy.
I can't even hear you over the ticking noise.
Let's see if it sounds any better. It's not terrible when you get in it, it's just at the moment. Yeah, no, I think that's a no. It's too much risk. Unless you got it seriously cheap.
It's honestly a shame.
It's a damn shame. Look like the spoiler. All right, on to the next one. Hopefully we can find a car that actually works.
And the next one is this lovely SS Commodore in a beautiful snot green, as you can see. But I think honestly it looks pretty good. Paint-wise, you know, not many swell marks.
So window open.
Yeah, could be a problem. There's some trim pieces there which could also be a problem. Just seems a little bit dirty, but yeah, honestly not too bad. Now looking at the tread.
Check the rears, they're the ones that'll be lit up.
No, actually the rears have more than the front, so.
Okay.
Which also is alarming. They could have been doing some burnouts and had to replace the rears before the fronts. Nothing too bad on the paint or anything. Really nice key though too.
Electronics though?
Negative. Well, they've done a great job of installing this aftermarket head unit. Really nice little tuck of the wires too. Very clean job.
Completely dead.
It's completely dead.
You have a really bad record for dead cars.
Oh, right.
It seems like every...
It's been about last six cars I reckon I've looked at.
Well, that probably explains why the window's not down. Or up, sorry. Should be. There's a glove box there. Is there a glove box where you are, Morgan?
There is not.
Alright, let's have a look. Okay. Oh, wow, you got a lot of leg room in there.
Yeah.
Let's jump in.
Just watch the razor down on the floor there.
Oh, nice. This is kid friendly. But yeah, as you can see, lots of leg room because we're missing a glove box.
You can tell this Commodore's had lots of wiring issues, electrical issues, because here's one of the battery terminals. They've obviously tried to get in there to do something electrical. The head unit's been tried to take out. Here's the fascia, or whatever you call it, for that.
Does it slide in?
It doesn't sound too good. And yeah, obviously no power, so handbrake works. Oh, here's it's just, oh god, what's this?
So the trims.
So it looks like someone's had a really good try at trying to fix this.
That was sarcasm if people are wondering. It's not a good job. And now it doesn't run. Well, you won't turn on. Can Morgan get the bonnet? Oh, okay. Just some good old Australiana V8. Oh yeah, the terminal. Thanks Morgan, safety first. We got HSV, baby. Is it actually? Surely not. Maybe the bumper's a HSV bumper or something?
I mean, it's just pop riveted on, so.
Yeah, as you can
That looks
probably
legit.
tell, Morgan and I are not Commodore enthusiasts. We do not know much about them at all. But yeah, I think
it's safe to say.
we know enough not to buy this one.
Exactly.
So we're 0 from 3.
Yep.
Hmm.
I was really looking forward to that Fiesta though.
So
It was
was I.
real cheap.
And the Falcon,
But yeah.
bit rust. Alright, we'll have to come back another day and find another turd to buy. Morgan, take us out.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you think we should take one of these cars. I personally probably wouldn't, but you know, you never know. There's always deals to be made. This could be one of them, you never know. It could go for real cheap. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and stay tuned for the next one, and we'll look at some more cars and hopefully they're a bit better.
Bye. Oops.